America loves our cars and trucks. It's a deep-rooted part of our culture. We look out into the driveway and we see an extension of who we are. It's what drives us. And in a world where everything is becoming more customizable and more personalized, vehicles are more than ever a way to express what makes us unique. Whether it's about appearance, performance, lifestyle, or protection. That's why we introduced AutoGear, our full-service, comprehensive accessories program that brings together factory accessories plus over 30 top-name brands, all to deliver you the largest selection under one roof, which makes it more convenient than ever to customize your car or truck. AutoGear means unprecedented access to both factory and aftermarket accessories. And when you couple that with our professional, personalized accessory consultations, our customized pre-built vehicle packages, expert installation, and flexible financing, America's largest automotive retailer is now America's largest auto accessories retailer. It's never been easier to customize your car or truck. And with 300 locations coast to coast, there's no reason to go anywhere else. AutoGear is here at your nearest AutoNation store today.